first thing on Friday morning. So mild and warm and dry and sunny. That's going to be the theme as we move in towards the weekend. Yes, still this nuisance frontal system producing that little patchy drizzle here and there, but elsewhere with the best of the sunshine, we've got the warmth as well. We're looking at highs of 21, 22 degrees in eastern Scotland, highs of 28 degrees, that's 82 Fahrenheit perhaps, out to the east. And so that means we might have to keep an eye on the UV levels. Certainly worth bearing in mind if you're going to be out and about for any length of time. We've not had to think about that for quite some time, have we? But as we move into the weekend, you'll certainly need to continue to think about it. The high stays with us. The frontal systems move a little bit further north, so even areas that have stayed pretty cloudy and grey so far this week will actually improve into the weekend, and it's going to get warmer still. Temperatures potentially peaking at 30 degrees. After a cloudy start, we had beautiful blue sky and sunshine by the middle of the afternoon. Not quite the case, unfortunately, in the far northwest in Highland Scotland. Still some pretty grey cloud around. And in actual fact, this weather front's still going to sit there throughout the day on Friday. High pressure is building in. It will gradually drift its way a little bit further eastwards and dominate the scene over the weekend. But it does mean some drizzly rain first thing in the morning to the northwest of Scotland and to the far north of Northern Ireland. As we go through the day, there'll be plenty of settled sunny weather with light winds. Temperatures are going to respond quite quickly. So highs of 21 degrees in eastern Scotland, 24 perhaps into the Midlands, 28 Celsius the high. That's 82 Fahrenheit somewhere in the southeast. We now have to start thinking about UV, which will be high or very high, and we haven't seen that for some time. So that's certainly worth bearing in mind if you're going to be spending any time outside. Now, as I say, that high pressure just shifts its position a little into the weekend, and areas where we've seen some low grey clouds stubbornly sitting in the far north and west, still there on Saturday, but slowly improving as the weekend progresses. Perhaps the cloud just retreating back to the extreme north, more sunshine coming through, again light winds for all of us, and again those temperatures responding likely once again into the high 20s for many. So that means a warm night to come through Saturday night into Sunday morning. It means a repeat performance on Sunday, again dry, settled and sunny, and once again those temperatures responding. So we might see that cloud breaking up a little more into the far northwest of Scotland. Here temperatures 16 to 20 degrees the high, but highest values likely of 29 or 30 Celsius somewhere in the southeast on Sunday. Now, it looks likely that high pressure is going to continue to stay with us for the next few days. Again, still those weak weather fronts, a bit of a nuisance for a time, but then it builds in and settles things down quite nicely. So as we go through the week ahead, some cloud from time to time in the far north, dry, settled, sunny and still pretty warm for all of us. Some people will see temperatures into the low 30s.